Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'd like to get a little bit more specific with pi and get an actual measurement. What we used before was an estimate and kind of give you the idea of what does that number really mean. But now I'd like you to take a circular object. It could be the same circular object. And this time I'm going to use a cookie. Again, go ahead and round the circumference of that circular object. So here we go. And cut your ribbon, or your string, or whatever you have, so it is the exact circumference of your circular object. So in this case, I picked a cookie, and there's my circumference. Then measure it. So get out your ruler or whatever you're going to do for your measurement. So here's my measurement. I'm going to start at centimeters, and I'm going to start at the 20 mark simply because there's a sticker on that's messing things up here. So I'm going to start at the 20 mark, and I am going to measure how long this circumference is. So I started at 20 right there, and it went to looks like 42.5. So the circumference of my cookie is from 20 to 42.5, which is 22.5 centimeters round, right? There we go. Now what I want you to do is take your circular object and measure across the diameter. Okay? If you're using the same circular object, you already have a lot of these, right? So measure across the diameter. I cut it, so it's exactly the diameter. Here we go. I'm getting cookie goo all over me, but here we go, the diameter. And then measure that. So what was it, 22.5? Is that what we said it was? And now we're going to measure, write that down. We want to write down the circumference, and then now we're going to write down the diameter. So again, I'm starting at 20. And it's going to 27 3/4. You want to just say 27.5? I'd say it's 27.75 centimeters. I'm going to write that down. I'm sorry, 27.5 minus 20 would be 7.5 centimeters. My cookie's diameter is 7.5 centimeters. I am going to write that down on my record, and now I'm going to invite you to do the same with yours. While you do yours, I'm going to do another object so you can watch if you want to, or, yeah, here we go. I'll go ahead and do the hula hoop. So here's my hula hoop. I'm going to go around the diameter. This isn't working. That didn't work out at all. Let me try again.